guys, welcome back. When we get rain out here, it's like sometimes it's like a week straight, 2 weeks straight. It's crazy, man. I don't care if it's rain. I am gonna be out here riding. Yep. Yes, sir. Come on, man. I can't catch a break at all. I'm catching a glimpse of sunshine today. It's been raining on and off all day long, and it has been doing that for like a week straight now. I was like, finally today, I was like, I am getting out. I gotta get out of the house. So me and Big Red's out here cruising. Nothing crazy. Just want to be out, getting me some wind therapy. Let's go in, check it out. It's this beautiful nature park, thousands and thousands of acres here. Get in here. Nobody's watching. Nobody's looking. I've got to get a few good pictures here. Just a few pictures here. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is supposed to be a helipad. I don't think it's anybody out here, right? Just a few people. Oh no. She's all dirty now. We got rained on. We got rained on. It's pretty cool though. I just installed the stealth mirror. These little guys right here. I got rid. I used to have the bar end mirrors out here. You know, for a couple years or so. They work fine. They work fine. I just didn't like the way the whole bike looks. You know, it just doesn't give that aggressive looks. So I switched to these guys here. I like it. Of course, you know, you'll lose the visibility, of course. But it's overrated. If you see the colorful light flash behind you, you know what happened. You know what you did wrong. Anyways, I also threw on this the lever guard. I think it's kind of completed the final touch with the entire bike. Just like that. Just like that. We are here at one of the state park. On a weekday like this, it's just nice and quiet. You don't see a whole lot of people here. That's what I like. Look at that cloud. Look at that cloud. I am not going that way. Actually I am, but I'm gonna take my time getting there. Hey, are those crane? I think they are. The white cranes. Just chilling on the field. That's where I want to go, up that way, where all the new buildings at. All the high rises coming up, restaurant, hotel. I'm gonna take a little stroll to the waterfront. Don't you just hate that though? You know, you got planned to be on a motorcycle, cruising, then you got to go pee. Jeez, look at that pipe.